So here's my start stop buttons, guys, and again I need to get some clarification. You can see there's 1, 2, and 3 is over here. It's also embedded on the top. You can't really see it. Now I know that the start button is normally open and the stop button is normally closed. However, you can see that there's a bar that jumps these leads. It's jumping 1 to 2. Now again, this diagram is the one that I can follow pretty easily. But you can see at the stop button, it's on number. See, these numbers kind of are messing me up based on what I have here. Okay, so if the stop button is the normally closed circuit, you can see here, that means that terminal 1 isn't on the stop button at all. It's on the start button. So, you know, it's got me a little bit confused. I can see that if I started on one side of the stop button, which would be here, I would send this side of the stop button, based on this diagram up here, I would send this part of the stop button over to L3. And then you can see that, okay, so this would be the normally closed. And then you can see where it goes through, and there's like a jumper that goes between the stop button and the start button. So that would be the jumper. Okay. And then that leg here, it would go to the normally open side of the auxiliary contactor. And on the other side of the start button, which would be over here, that would go to the other side of the normally open of the auxiliary contactor, which would also tie to 99, which is A2 of the coil. I'm just trying to confirm, is that correct what I'm saying? Just disregard the numbers, but just follow the contacts on the switch to follow this one. Again, sorry guys, just want to make sure this is right. I don't want to smoke anything. I can't afford to replace stuff at this point of the project.